My heart is my heart. My heart is yours.
You wanna have fun with me? Then press the button. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jannah. Today we're going Melvin's party!
Yes, we are going to Melvin's party today. But today we are doing a fashion haul from items we purchased from Amazon. And as you can see, Jannah has on this cute two-piece outfit. And it's so adorable. The little buttons and the pants, the geometric print pants with the tie in the front. Turn around, Jannah, let us see the pants. Yeah. And those cute little star-shaped earrings also came from Amazon, guys. Let me see, Jannah, come close. Let's see those earrings. Let me see, turn around. Let me focus it. All right. Alright guys, and we have Jannah in this cute yellow two-piece set. The material is a little thin, but it's a really cute set. You having fun? You like the outfit? That's really cute. Is it comfortable?
I like to do this.
Is it a comfortable outfit?
Did you like this dance? Did you like my theme? Hey guys, did you like this dance? Watch!
This is a one-piece romper, and it's a navy blue and cream color, and it comes with like a little headband that you tie in the back, and it's really cute. Gonna turn around a little bit. Turn around. As you can see, it has like a little cross strap in the back and ruffles around this area here. It is really cute, guys. I really like this one piece set. Cute. And let me see your earrings. And these earrings also came in the pack. And guys, believe it or not, these cute little earrings, these are clip-ons. In the print that you see here, guys, these are little hearts. So nice. And the material, it feels really soft. And guys, look, it has pockets. Nice. So cute. Alright guys, so Jannah is wearing a romper. It's a checkered red and white. And you can see where it cuts off at the leg. That's really cute. And a little tie in the back. This one does not have any pockets. this set, this is from Pink Sheep, and in this set it comes with 6 pairs of earrings, and you have your unicorns, butterflies, rainbows, stars, and clouds. So those are really cute. And in this set we have
Bodies, stars, hearts, and flowers.
good job. And in this one also, guys, we have 6 pairs of earrings, and these are all clip-ons. So these are really nice. They are all clip-ons, and they also come with those little white backing pieces.
So, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Go Jannah, go Jannah, it's your birthday, it's your birthday. Go Jannah, it's your birthday.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jannah, and today we doing this.
Today we doing a fashion show. Ooh, go Jannah, do.